And today we go for 3.1 statement and logic, connective statement, um, a, a sentence that be just either true or false. So we labeling the statement true or false, called assigning true value for the statement. So we have a simple statement, a statement that uh, covered one idea. Example, Ashley is the making breakfast. So this one is one idea for this. And compound statement, a statement that combines two or more simple statements. So this one, two or more, combine two or more simple statements, and that can assign a true value. For example, Ashley make the breakfast and John setting a table. So we have two or more statements. So this one and, so it's mean like two statements right there. Connective, offer, choice, symbol, statement, or. So even we have one, the first one is not, and, or if, then, and if only if. So not the statement, the negation is the simple reading by I believe this one they call tilde or the squiggling type line. That is the tilde. That means whenever you see this, this means not. So whenever you see this, this means not. So for example, the negation Steve college statement is the Steve not college statement. So right here, Steve is a college statement, but Steve is not college statement. So a simple form we use that the letter set up is P, Q, or R. A simple statement that is not negate. Therefore, we can let P represent, and a simple statement, Steve college is the statement, and a simple form, Steve is not a college statement. So as we can write it down by, so this one like P, and this one Steve is not a college student, so not a college student. So negation or the squiggling line. So right there. So for line not, remember this. So this one is the not. Example 2. Give P my dog in the car. Right. The statement symbolic is my dog. It's not on the car. So how you write it down? So remember my dog is on a car. So let you P. So negation for this one is not P. This means my dog is not on the car. And the second one is and a statement. So conjunction, the conjunction simple. The conjunction symbol is like upside down V. That is read is and. Read as and. So another word is sometimes used to be expressed the conjunction but, are, but, however, and nevertheless. So for example, 3. So for example, 3. So we can have Ashley make us breakfast and John studying a table. So we can say let's P this and Q this. So all right here, let's P and Q represent for the statement. So P is the Ashley making breakfast. Q that the John setting the table. So we can say symbolic the statement P and Q. So P and Q we can call that upper downward V. Okay, and then example 4. So example 4, we can say if P is the John go to the zoo, Q John's not go to the gym. Each statement in a symbolic. So John will go to the zoo and will go to the gym. So John, that's the P, go to the zoo and go to the gym. Okay, and for the next one, John will not go to the zoo, but John will go to the gym. So will not go to the zoo and John go to the gym. So the symbolic, this one is not. So see the opposite one. So it's not. Okay. Now or statement. The disjunction symbol by so this one is V. So remember as before we have is this one is or and this one is and. Remember that upside down V, upside down U and upside down the regular U and upside down U for that. It's same thing. So example 5. Jim like to watch the TV or he like to read a book. So no, so scene we have a or statements right here represent for exclusives are Jim like watch the TV and read the book and Jim to watch the TV or Jim like to read the book or that Jim like both watch TV and the book. So we can say less P and Q represent for the simple statement. P is Jim like to watch the TV. Q Jim like to read a book. So we can write out other statement right here. So we can say Jim like to watch the TV or Jim like to read a book. Read a book. So example 6 now. Less P is John will go to the zoo. Q John will go to the gym. So each statement is symbolic. John go to the zoo or John go to the gym. So John will to the zoo, go to the zoo or John will to the gym. So John, the second one, this one, John will not go to the zoo or John will not go to the gym. Remember the not? So we have a squiggling line. And not P or not Q. So number 7. Less P is the teacher at the whiteboard. Q that the teacher at the desk. So write out the student are not. The student are not in the desk, and the teachers are not is not at the whiteboard. So not. So the teacher, the student are not. So the student are not, or a teacher is not on the whiteboard. So Example 8. P is the dinner included soup. Q is the dinner included salad. R is the dinner include the bread. Write each statement. Make sure, look at this. The same side of a common we use the group together. Remember, group together. So like dinner included soup and salad is salad or a bread. So remember group together. So the dinner is the soup and salad or bread. Remember, summer size. So we group together. So this one, the after the comma, so we group together. And the same thing dinner as a soup is salad. So this one or a bread. So we have two group together. So dinner includes soup and salad or bread. Remember that we group together under comma and group together. So now we have a new one. If then the statement. So this one conditional, and we can read at the if then. That is conditional. So remember the symbolic is mean the arrow one side. So the statement of this one is and uh if P then Q. Conditional statement consists two parts. The part that precedes precedes the arrow, the antecedent, and part that follow the arrow that's consequent. For example, let P and Q represent follow statement. So P is the chili, is spicy. Q is the soup, cream is cold. So write a compound statement in symbolic form. So if then, remember if then, so P, if P, then Q. Um, this is a false statement. It's ice cream is not cold, then the chili is spicy. So how do we do that? So this one is the little hard. So we can go with this one first. Ignore this one. Okay, ignore this one. We go with the if then. Ignore this one for a moment right now. So, okay. So if the soup cream is not cold, then the chili is spicy. So we can take at this. So if the soup cream is not cold, then the chili is spicy. Now we can take this one. If it's false is mean not true. So negations for this one. If it's false, so this one right here. Oh, let me see. I use this one, this one. Okay. So okay. Example 10. If P and Q represent for following symbol statement, P is the 10, is the peaches, and Q is the bonfire burning. So write a statement, write the following compound statement with the symbolic form. So if the 10 is not peak, then the bonfire is not burned. So how we do that? So if then, so the peach is not the tint is not peach. Then the bonfire is not burned. So now we learn for if and only if statement. So we have uh, by conditional, doesn't mean if and only if. So if only if we have this one is arrow two-way. So this one the arrow two-way. So if P if and only if Q. Or we can say if P then Q and if Q then P. So right here. So we have that symbolic for this. Symbol 11. Let P and Q represent the following the symbol statement. I eat banana is Tuesday. Right, I follow the symbol. I do not eat the banana if and only if it's not Tuesday. So I do not eat banana if and only if it's not Tuesday. So we have that. Okay, so we have let's summarize for this. Uh so we have negation, conjunction, disconjunction, by additional, no, conditional, biditional. So we can have negation, negation. So negation. So negation as the simple. Just mean this one is not. Okay. And this one is the symbolic SP. Okay. And then this one conjunction. This one and P. Excuse me. And so this one is this junction is from the or. Okay. And P or Q. And this one is condition. This one. So this one if then. So this one is P, then Q. And by condition, hmm, and this one is if and only if. Yeah. So example 12. So consider the statement, the shoe is red, P is the shoe is red, Q is the hat is white. We write that this statement P and not Q in the English. So this one we can write it down at uh, the shoe the shoe is red and the hat is not white. And for the number 13, consider the statement P, if the taxes are higher, Q, I work hard. So write a statement, this, the squiggling and the root for this in the English. So how can we write it down? So we can write it as, we can write out that is false. So excuse me for a minute. My pen is not working for right now. Just hold on. Sorry about that. My thing is not working. So my pen is not working. So sorry. I have to recharge that. So if it is false that if I work hard, then the tax are not high. Okay. Okay. So example number 15. Consider statement P is not Uh, P is raining outside. Q is snowing outside. R is the road is mudding. So we write a statement. No, P or Q and R in English. So we can type it in for the style. So it is, so the Q, it is rain, right? Is it raining outside? Or is is snowing outside? So remember this one are grouping together. So comma and the row is muddy, muddy. Okay. Yep. That's how we get it. So for the question, another one, write negation of the statement California is not the state. So what we try to write it down, negation. So negation is what? California is not a state. Okay, that's just A. B. Are the swimming pool are rectangular. So what is that? Negation. Are we change to some swimming pool are not rectangular. Okay. So remember, how common mistake students make that they write negation and negation of the statement above. No swimming pool are rectangular. Seen are the swimming pool are rectangular is false statement. It must negation is true. No swimming pool are rectangular is true. Some swimming pool are some swimming pool are rectangular is the correct negation, or not all pool are rectangulars. So so this one we make a first statement. Okay, so the important, remember, negation. So this one is some, go to R, and none, go to some, and R, go to some. So some insect can fly. So not all insect can fly. Or we can say, or we can say, or we can say, or are insects can't fly. Okay, so some of these do not produce a mango. So we can navigation for that one is are mango tree produce produce mango. So for E, not truck have the three wheels. So not no truck have a three wheels. So we can say some trucks have three wheels. Okay, thank you for that.